An implant fuses with the bone it is placed into. After successful osseointegration, the implant becomes rigidly fixed. However, when the force is applied to the implant, it moves linearly and elastically, and this movement depends upon the magnitude of the force and the elastic deformation of the bone. An implant barely moves under load and transfers the stress directly to the crestal bone. That is why gradient loading is recommended for implants, which advocates for gradually increasing the load to the implants. This graph demonstrates the linear, elastic and monophasic movement of the implant when it is subjected to functional loading. Under light bite force, implant barely moves. But under heavy forces, the elastic bone surrounding the implant undergoes elastic deformation, which permits the implant to move, and the magnitude of the moment that implant can move under heavy bite forces about 3 to 5 microns. Unlike natural tooth, there is no primary movement phase. The moment force is applied, the resistance begins immediately. Under similar load, the implant moves significantly less related to the natural tooth. Since the implants do not give, like natural teeth, they often bear a disproportionate amount of load in the mouth containing both natural teeth and implants.